This is a blessed day for us. And for those of you who have been coming up here for the awards, congratulations. I have 10 minutes to speak. And for those of you who I am meeting for the first time, I look forward to meeting you for the second time, and the third time, and the fourth time. Kasi sabi nga nila, pag madalas magkita, mas nagkakaroon ng connection. And that's what we're looking for here. So, I'll take advantage of the remaining 9 minutes to share with you why iFern is number 1. Okay. Health is wealth. Tama? Ano sa Tagalog yan? Kalusugan ay kayamanan. Pwede kang mangutang ng pera, pero ang kalusugan hindi mo pwedeng utangin. Correct? Ang kalusugan, pinag-iipunan. Okay. We have many beautiful, great, terrific products that come from iFern. But I will center on one important product tonight. Let's talk about vitamin D. Pakiulit. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential steroid hormone. It regulates calcium and phosphorus. It is used in the proper development and maintenance of bone, and it serves as a cell regulator. Pag sinabing cell regulator, it repairs or destroys unwanted cells. So, it improves So if it improves your health, it is beneficial to life. Vitamin D has other benefits. It reduces risk to 30 forms of cancer. It is beneficial in curing rickets. It helps to treat osteomalacia. It is useful in treating rachitic rosary. I'll show you what these things are in a few moments. It helps to prevent heart disease. It aids in preventing bone fractures. It provides protection against peripheral arterial disease. And it helps to control phosphate and calcium levels in the body. These are the benefits of having the correct level of vitamin D. That level is equivalent to 1,000 to 2,000 IU. IU stands for International Units. Okay. So, this is the minimum requirement every day. If we don't meet the 1,000, we have vitamin D deficiency. It goes down. When it goes down, we lose the benefits. Let me tell you how vitamin D works. I'll stay on the side. Vitamin D is a cell regulator. One of the most important responsibilities, it helps to prevent 30 forms of cancer. 90% of the vitamin D in our body comes from the sun's rays, ultraviolet B. For good reason. Pag pumasok yung ultraviolet light sa katawan natin, it forms vitamin D. And millions of cells are reproducing in our body. Each cell has a receptor. If the cell becomes mutated, the vitamin D attaches to the cell and tells it how to repair itself. But if the cell becomes beyond repair, vitamin D attaches to the cell and tells it how to destroy itself, so you don't have multiplication of harmful cells. Imagine, what if the vitamin D level in your body goes down? Dadami ang mga mutant cells. But if you have the right amount of vitamin D, there's enough to destroy all the mutant cells and render us free from disease before the mutant cells multiply. This is one of the most important parts, responsibilities of vitamin D. It prevents 30 forms of different cancers. Rickets, softening of the bones, because vitamin D is needed to put calcium into the bone. If the bone is weak, because of the weight of the body, it softens. Not just in man, even in animals. Sanay tayo, nakikita natin ang mga alaga natin, aso, pusa, kung ano yung tira sa pagkain, yun lang binibigay. Tama? Kulang sa sustansya. Parang tao din yan. Rachitic rosary, yung bukol sa ating mga buto. Ito ho ang ribs. Kapag kulang sa vitamin D, namamaga, malalaki. At pag tinignan mo sa harap, katulad sa isang bata, mukhang may rosaryo. Ang tawag dyan, rachitic rosary. Vitamin D is needed to put calcium in the teeth. Pag walang sapat na vitamin D ang nanay, habang nagbubuntis, walang pupunta sa baby. Sira-sira ang ipin. At hindi natin nakikita, most of us enjoy a healthy heart. But if the level of vitamin D goes down, you are liable to have high blood pressure. So we have to take the correct amount of vitamin D. How much is that level? 1,000 every? All right. Don't forget that. And we can get all the vitamin D from two sources. One is the sunlight. Two, from different foods. Fish, milk, cereal, butter, and other protein derivatives. Isda. Ano ito? Tuna. Sarap kumain ng isda. Punong-puno yan ng vitamin D. But you have to eat a lot to get the minimum of 1,000 to 2,000 international units every day. A lot of foods that we have in the supermarket are fortified, dinadagdagan ng vitamin D para lang umabot sa minimum requirement ng lahat ng Pilipino. Many of them are deficient. Katulad nito. Ang laman nitong vitamin D ay 198 IU. Ilan ang kailangan? So, ilang lata ang kailangan inumin para makuha yung 1,000? 5 hanggang 10. Yung iba, ayaw ng gatas. To meet the 1,000 to 2,000 international units, you need to satisfy your daily requirement. But no one wants to eat oily fish 3 times a day, every day. Magkano ang tuna? Mahal. Gatas na lang. Pero, hindi lahat ng tao pwedeng sikmurain ng gatas. Yung iba, pagpasok, may lumalabas. So, let's be practical. Vitamin D from food sources is not enough. So, let's get vitamin D from the sun. But, to do that, you have to be under the sun from 10 o'clock in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Tanghaling tapat. Alam na alam mo na yan ang tamang sikat ng araw kung yung shadow mo ay mas maikli kaysa sa actual na tangkad mo. Yun ang tamang sikat ng araw na magbibigay ng vitamin D for your daily dose. Pwede ba tayo magbilad sa araw? Pwede! Pero, ang sabi sa mga research, kailangan daw naka-brief lang. Nakapanty lang. Kung yan ang ginagawa mo, anytime between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., 10 minutes lang, makukuha mo na ang buong pangangailangan ng vitamin D. 10 minutes, nakatayo. Sir, nakakapagod. Pwede bang mahiga? Pag mahiga ka, kalahati lang ang nakalabas. Doblehin natin ang oras mo. 20 minutes. Tama? Sabi ng ladies, hindi ako pwedeng pang-ibaba lang. Kailangan may pang-itaas. Magti-t-shirt ka, 3 hours. Nakababad sa araw, 10 o'clock hanggang alas 2. Naku, teka, maglalagay muna ako ng sunblock. Pag ginawa mo yan, walang papasok na vitamin D. Yan o ang effect. You see, ayaw natin magbilad sa araw. Bakit? Mangingitim. At lalabas yung mga kulukulubot. Yan o ang binibigay na effect ng ultraviolet light A at saka B. Pag nangitim, meron daw tayong produkto na pwedeng gamitin. Pero para hindi tayo mas-sidetrack, tignan natin ang ginagawa araw-araw. Estudyante, nagtatago sa loob ng klase. Ang mga nagtatrabaho sa opisina, talagang nasa loob. Yung mga matatanda, ayaw magpaaraw. We stay inside so we won't perspire or inhale pollution. So, not enough vitamin D comes from the sun also. Kulang sa pagkain yung vitamin D at kulang sa araw. So, for your vitamin D needs, what did iFern produce? We have, I can't hear you. Over here, what is it? Over there. Fern D. Fern D is iFern's answer to the optimal requirement of vitamin D for each of us. 1 to 2 capsules daily. They contain 1,000 IU. You take 2, you take 3, you take 4. The better and stronger you are, the more protected you are. What's it called? I can't hear you. Fern D. This is our part of contribution to what is called health and wealth. Fern D is produced by DSM. DSM is the biggest manufacturer of vitamin D, second only to nature. So, in closing, we have one line to read. Pakibasa. Health is wealth. Sa Tagalog, ang kalusugan ay kayamanan. That is what iFern holds dear to your heart. Not just what goes into your pocket, but what goes into your body. Because all of this keeps us healthy, wealthy, and wise. Good morning, everybody!